Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to make Google your default homepage on Mozilla Firefox. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on Firefox browser and then open lang natin yan. And then dito lang sa upper right side ay makikita mo dito yung tatlong lines. Ito yung open applications menu. So click mo lang yan. And next step, so scroll down and select mo lang dito yung settings. And dito lang sa left side menu, and then kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung home. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa home, kung paano ba natin gawin yung Google as homepage sa Mozilla Firefox. So napakadali lang naman. And then makikita mo dito yung homepage and new windows. Okay? So dito sa right side, i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan. And then select mo lang dito yung custom URL. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa kanyang paste URL, so pwede mong i-type dito yung URL ni Google. So www.google.com. Ayan. So once na i-type mo na yung URL ni Google ay ganito na siya. Alright? So automatic na po yan mga kaibigan. Wala nang ibang settings dito na i-click mo yung saves. So once tinype mo dito yung URL, ganyan na po siya. And then ipapakita ko sa inyo. And then open lang tayo ng another tab. Ayan. And then dito sa searching address bar, so kailangan lang tayong mag-type. So type mo yung map. And then makikita mo na dito na search with Google. Ayan. So, ganun lang po kasimple talaga, wala ka ng ibang gagawin na settings. Ayan, so ganun lang po on how to make Google your homepage on Mozilla Firefox. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.